directions that weren't stuck together might help.
Just got a little wet. Having fun yet?
Best day of my life. Second to our marriage, and that's reverse.
Okay, so 5th best day of your life. We got to watch the Packers lose, and then decided to come out here. We're building a greenhouse that will be used as a run for the chickens. They're all free range right now, but we're getting sick of them pooping everywhere and laying eggs everywhere. But yeah, mostly because winter's coming and we don't typically free range them in the winter, depending on what the weather is like in Wisconsin. So this greenhouse can be really nice because they'll still be able to like be outside. It's got like windows that are screened in so nothing can get them. Nice little door. Ours is gonna be white, not green. But it's posing some problems. The instructions got wet. They're less than helpful. And we can't find the instructions online, so we're
Winging it.
We're doing the best we can. Good job. Is that heavy?
Don't poke holes in it. We gotta wait for Gracie to do that.
Oh, she would never.
Guys, no.
Exhibit A, other side of the bale.
I see nothing in these bales. Looks great. Reinforcements have arrived. It's a little late, chickens.
Huh? I think you just... Hey, you made me lost my womb. Stop it.
Fly, but she's not coming apart.
Sweet. I've stripped out like half of them.
Very cute. Oh, Grace wants a worm.
I'm gonna feed
Gracie
it to
wants a
the
worm.
chicken.
Okay, I bet the chicken will like that. Grace, you're not helping. Found us a life problem with the greenhouse. Oh Lord. Well, that didn't break at least.
Hi, Jack.
You're breaking it. Just in case the predators get in here. Let's take it down, but
When?
no. We're about done for the day, hey?
Deer pictures.
Oh. So yeah, we got the door so that if predators can kind of get up underneath here. We ended up pulling that underneath. I don't know if that was what you're supposed to do. No. And then we staked it down, and I got their feed. We're just gonna kind of slowly add weight to it, and then Joey's gonna put some ratchet straps over the top so that hopefully it doesn't blow away. And then we'll see if we wasted money or not.
If we can get a winner out of it, we'll be alright.
It was a really good deal though. It was on Amazon Prime Days.
I ain't got enough time.
Yeah, we eventually would like to build our own, but that just wasn't gonna happen. So, yeah, I mean, it seems like decent quality for what, I don't remember what we paid for it, but it wasn't that much. So, I will, I'll post a link to it in the comments, but Sophia fell, in case anyone wanted to know. Yeah. Go team. Go team. Made it without instructions.
It was a puzzle.